Manushi Chillar, Alia Bhatt, Tripti Dimri, Meera Kapoor, Shraddha Kapoor, list goes on, right? I can't name all of them also now. How did you get all of them to wear your clothes?
Honestly, we still do a lot of cold messaging. When I started the brand, I did a lot of cold messaging on Instagram. I had this one message which I used to send that this is a new brand, this is the story of the brand, and we would like to send you a gift if you'd like.
Directly to the celebrity.
Sometimes directly, sometimes stylists, so everyone, stylists, celebrity, big influencers, everyone. We used to cold message, and we did get lucky early on. People like Masoom Meenawala responded, called for the gift, and actually wore it.
Okay.
So, and tagged us, which was so. There were a lot of these things that happened, which were all cold messages. So probably we must have sent 100 messages. Usme se 15 must have replied, 4 must have posted. Like I'm just telling you the funnel of conversion, but it is that is what you're supposed to do. You have to tell your story to people, and you can just hope the story is strong enough to click. And of course, after they receive the product, it's the product. सो मतलब फर्स्ट एंड फॉरमोस्ट तो प्रोडक्ट अच्छा होना चाहिए, राइट? क्योंकि आपको अगर वो मंगवा भी लेंगे फोटो देखकर, तो एंड में तो उनको प्रोडक्ट अच्छा लगना चाहिए, बिकॉज इन्फ्लुएंसर्स विल नॉट wear it if they don't like the product.
Correct.
So that I think we did a lot. Even today we do that a lot. We are obviously now, over the years, we've built our own network with certain brand advocates, who've been brand friends since the start, stylists who know the brand. So we message a lot of stylists also, and that is how it works.
And you found these stylists through
On Instagram.
Cold message करके आपने relationship build किया.
Yeah. On Instagram, everything is available on Instagram. You just have to, you go on any celebrity's page, they tag the stylist, just make your own list, and start with maybe stylists of celebrities who usually get spotted. That's a nice way to go about it, because someone who is not interested in getting spotted, then how will you get a photo?
Right.
So that's how I made my own list, that okay, who comes on these paparazzi pages, let's make their list. Then who are their stylists, who are the good influencers who tag brands if they receive gifts. So a lot of influencers get gifts, but they don't tag. But there are people who are doing it. You can see the pattern. So you make that list and then reach
Very
out.
clinical, huh? Like from the beginning, you're like following such strong processes everywhere.
All in my head.
Where is this knowledge coming from? Like
it was just, what do I do if I don't have the money, right? So it was just that if I don't have the money, I need to figure out a way to make it happen. And I can't hire a PR agency. I can't pay someone 4 lakhs. So it was just, I think, just a very deep drive to find a solution without having the funds.
Right.
And then you just do anything, right? Because you're like, कैसे इनके पेज पे मैं दिखूं? तो it's just back calculation, know, what all you can do. And you try, and I feel that, I think when I was doing it myself at the time, I did not ever take it personally. I used to think I have to wake up. My job today morning is to message 200 people.
and
over few days, whatever. कि आज मेरा सुबह का काम है 20 लोग, 30 लोग, जो भी, कि this is my job and this is what I'm supposed to do, and then I forget. आया reply तो ठीक है, वरना I'll get back at it. I'll make a second list.
Yeah.
I can't give up, right? It's fine. Maybe like someone with 1 million followers won't reply. Then I used to have list, I remember, 1 million, then 500K, then 100K, then 30K. So it was in an order कि पहले हम 1 million वालों को, पहले हम celebs को भेजेंगे and stylists को, फिर हम 1 million को भेजेंगे. नहीं आएगा, then we'll move on to the next. कोई तो होगा, right? Someone might be there who will reply.
Amazing, man. Yeah.
So yeah, I mean, fun times.